ban him. Yes, so I'll do commands that has permissions, and I'll do ban members is equal to true, and then I'll do commands dot command. The name is Unban and description to unban a user. Yes. And then I'll do async def unban self cdx and user ID as an integer. Just don't be afraid of okay, not afraid, but don't be confused. It's called an integer. It's just saying the user ID is an integer. Alright, now I'm gonna create the message. So unban message is discord.embed, and I'm gonna do title as unbanned okay, so we got the ID of the user, and we cannot just go discard a member. At least it didn't work in here. We cannot go directly user discard a member. At least it didn't work for me. I'm not sure if you can, but I'll just check the status. The user is equal to await bot dot fetch user and all the user ID. So we got the user, and I'll go user and I'll enter user in there. So I'm going to do the next thing I'm going to do is await ctx.guild.unban. You can't do user.unban. You have to do ctx.guild.unban user, and then I'll do await ctx.channel.send, and that is unban message. Yes, there you go. We did it, right? Yes, we did the unban thing, and now I need to do. What do I need? I need to test this, or I'll just make this a bit looking neat. Okay, now let's run this. So running this, I can do unban and actually copy the ID and then put it in here, and I do name error and name unban is not defined. Wait, what is this even talking about? Oh, sorry. It's unban message. Wait. Server settings. I want to ban this guy, okay? I'll do this again. There you go, unban the key default. And it's gonna ban. Yep. So the unban command worked. So now have a good day and good luck with your code.